Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have new problem. Today we have the second problem called add two numbers. I guess the problem is quite being asked quite too much from, as you can see, it's been asked in the last 6 months in Amazon 32 times, in Apple 10 times, in Adobe 10 times. Yeah, it's been asked a lot. So it's an important question for you to know. Um so um The question goes like that. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. We have this linked list and we have this linked list. The digits are stored in a reverse order, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as linked list at one linked list, like as a linked list, as one single linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero. Expect the number zero itself. That's great. So that means there's no any leading zero. We will not have a number like that, like 0, 1, 0, 2, something like that. Expect we have so the number is zero by itself. So if you look at this one, we have 2 and 7, 2 and 5, we get 7, 4 and 6. We put 0 and we carry the 1 because 4, 6 is 10. We carry the 1 to add to the next sum. So 3 and 4 is 7 and plus the 1 it's 8. So it's 708. There is, I would say, like a good amount of solutions to solve this problem. Maybe I have two in my mind. The first approach, we will do basic math. We just do basic math. We start from a current position, and we have a carry variable to carry any overload or over digit, and yeah, and return, and after that return the other list. So let's say that we have L1 and L2. I want to create I'll create dummy. I'll create a variable called dummy head. That it's an actual dummy head that we put it as a starting point to create a new list. It will be new list. We'll start list node. Yeah, let me copy this one to make sure that I'm not of 0. And actually it's a dummy head, so we don't care that much about it, because it's just a starting point. We will try to care about its next. And I will have a current, and it will equals currently the dummy head, and I will have let carry to carry any additional values. And I will create a while loop. I will say while, and in the while loop it's important to say when we try to stop or when we continue. So okay, first if L1 doesn't equals, what's going on with me today, doesn't equals null, okay, or L2 doesn't equals null, or if we have a carry, if we have a carry variable, or carry doesn't equals 0. Okay, so for example, about carry doesn't equal 0, just imagine if this was 5 and this was 5, so it will be 10, so carry will be equals 1. However, L1 and L2 will be ended, so we have to add this carry. And I'll try to get first I'll find x and y, const x equals if L 1 doesn't equals null, I'll do something like that. L1 dot val or 0. Actually, this syntax mean if L1 dot val equals null, take 0. Otherwise, put L1. And I will copy the code. I will take y equals L2 val 0. Okay, and I will make const sum equals carry plus x plus y, and I will say the carry will be will equals math dot floor sum divided by 10. If there was a number, it will be that means that we still have carry. Otherwise, we don't have any carry, because you want also to see if we have a carry. If the number, if basically we want to check if sum is 1-digit number or 2-digit numbers. If sum is 1-digit number divided by 10, it will equals to 0 when you add to it math.flow. Otherwise it will have 1. So I will say okay, curve dot next will equals new list node. Okay, it will be not sum modeled by 10. Okay, so we to know it's next, and I will say current will equals current dot next. So we start to add the new to the list, and I'll say if L1 doesn't equals null, L1 equals L1 dot next, and the same at L2 here. And I guess we're done, and I will return the dummy head dot next. My leg hurts. And let's just try to run. Can read the property. Okay. I guess we should do it like that. Let's see. It will work, or it will have. Yeah. Okay. It did work. Okay. So let's talk about the code here. So we defined a list node class that represents a node as a node in a singly linked list. Each node has a value called val and a reference to its next node called next. Okay, let's just put this in mind first. The add two numbers function takes two linked lists, L1 and L2 as an input. Okay, we initialize a dummy head node with a value of 0. This dummy head is used to simplify the code and ensure that the result linked list has a valid head. That's the main point of it. We initialize a cur, or like a current variable, to point to the dummy head, which will be used to construct the result linked list. After that, actually you can just delete the dummy head and start directly from the current, like no need, but just I made this way because it will look simpler for you to understand, guys. We have the curry here. We initialize a curry variable to 0, which holds the curry value when adding digits. After that, we enter the a while loop. The while loop that the continuous it's a continuous while loop until both L1 and L2 have been traversed and there is no carry left. Okay, inside the loop we calculate the sum of the current digits from L1 and L2 and the carry value as well, as you can see here. After that, we update the carry to hold the carry value, the result of the carry value. After that we update the carry and we try to update the carry value with the result of basically when we update the carry value to hold the carry value, basically it's the result of dividing the sum by 10. Because if you have a 2-digit base number, you have at least 1. It will be at least 1. So after that, we create a new list node with the value of sum moduled by 10 and append it to the result linked list.next. Okay. And after that, we move the current pointer to the newly created node. Basically, we do this one because we want also 1-digit number. We don't want to have 2-digit numbers. Like if we are sure that sum is all the time 1-digit number, we can delete this one. And after that, we create after that we move the current pointer to newly created node, the next, this one. Okay. And after that, if there are more nodes in L1 and L2, we move their pointers to the next nodes. And once the loop finishes, we return the result linked list, which starts from dummyhead.next. Let's submit this and let's see how have we done. We are beating 91% in your fucking face. Leetcode, we are on fire. Fuck that shit. Okay, I love Leetcode and I love solving this problem. It's like my passion. I love solving the problems. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my my description. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you in future problems.